Hi everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to make a password generator using R. In our daily lives, we log on to many websites, we create many accounts, and every day a new business launches, a new app launches, and we try to use that. We have to make a new account on that app, and most of them ask for us to set a new password. Now, some websites also have login via Google, login via Facebook features. In those, you might not need these things, but for our daily password management, we have to update our passwords every 3 months, every 6 months, and it's very important that we have a very strong password. So requirements for these apps or these websites is generally like you need to have a special case, you need to have an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, numbers that fulfill the criteria so that it's a strong password and not easy to break by any bot online. With that, we'll go forward with the video, and in this video we'll also tell you how to use RStudio and a particular function created in R to get the same result. So before starting anything, we always clear the environment and we clear the console using Ctrl+L, right? So now the console on the right hand side is clear and the environment is also clear, environment is empty. So now we'll create a function with one input n being the number of characters you need in the password. Let's say I want to create a password that is length 10. I'll put n is equal to 10 here. If I need a password of length 6, I'll put n is equal to 6. What is in this function? I want to sample some letters, numbers, alphanumeric characters, etc. here. So what I do is I am sampling numbers 1 through 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, letters in small cap. If you just write letters in R, it just prints out letters in smaller alphabets. So like if I print letters and run this command, you can see it's A B C D E F G S till Z in small caps. And if I run letters, this is in upper caps, right? So this is the way R deals with letters. If you want to store it in any memory, you don't need to store it by creating variables. You can just type letters and letters in small caps and upper caps to get these characters. Okay, I'll just remove that. Okay, so I'm sampling 1 to 9 numbers, small letters, upper letters, and these alphanumeric characters, exclamation mark, at the rate, hashtag, dollar, percentage, upper, etc., etc., and ampersand, open brackets, and you can remove, delete, whatever you want as per your convenience, because this will be the sample set that will be used to create your password, right? And then this function just pastes out the combination that it derives from the upper sampling, right? So this function is a very simple function to create in R and in any other coding language if you have all these tools available in that as well. So now I'll just run this function. If you see, my password function has ran. I have the function available now, and now I'll try the password for 10 first. And when I run it, boom, I get a password yn exclamation mark e underscore bv $6 and smaller l, right? And if I want a password for, let's say, 8 digits, I'll get 8, right? You can experiment with this function. You can use this function to note down passwords that are not easy to remember by anyone, and this will ensure your accounts have the best possible security and best password management at your fingertips. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.